The Fire TV Stick is one of the best streaming devices in 2025. It is small, easy to use, and works fast. You can watch movies, TV shows, live sports, and more in just a few clicks. The remote is simple, and voice control makes it even better. Many people still choose the Fire TV Stick because it gives great quality for a low price. If you want smooth streaming and all your favorite apps in one place, this device is a smart choice. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. When I started using the new Fire TV Stick 4K Max, I could instantly feel the speed. Powered by a 2.0 GHz quad-core processor and 16 GB of storage, this is hands down the most powerful streaming stick I've ever tried. Everything loads super fast, and switching between apps is buttery smooth. What really blew me away was the Wi-Fi 6E support, no more buffering, even in 4K. It also has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, so every movie night feels like a mini home theater. Plus, the ambient experience is a cool bonus. It turns my TV into a smart display with widgets and beautiful AI-generated art. If you want the absolute best, this is it. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. I've been using the 2025 Fire TV Stick 4K as my daily go-to, and let me tell you, it's an amazing balance between performance and value. It streams in 4K Ultra HD and supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos, so the visuals and sound are absolutely stunning. It even has the new Fire TV AI search, which makes finding shows a breeze with just a few voice commands. And thanks to Wi-Fi 6, my connection stays strong and stable. It's fast, it's sharp, and it's priced just right, perfect for anyone who wants premium streaming without spending extra. Number 3. Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd Gen HD. If you're someone who doesn't need 4K but still wants great quality, the Fire TV Stick 3rd Gen is the perfect choice. I tried it on my bedroom TV, and it delivers full HD streaming like a champ. It's super easy to set up, and it comes with the Alexa voice remote, which lets me control the TV just by talking. I get access to all my favorite apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. For a budget-friendly option, it performs surprisingly well and is great for everyday use. Number 2. Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. I got the Fire TV Stick Lite as a backup for my guest room, and it's honestly more capable than I expected. It's the most affordable option, but still gives you smooth full HD streaming and voice control through Alexa. The only difference is the remote doesn't have TV controls like volume or power, but for the price, I didn't mind. If you're new to streaming or just want a simple way to watch your favorite shows, the Lite version gets the job done without breaking the bank. Number 1. Amazon Fire TV Cube. This one is more than a stick, it's a full entertainment powerhouse. When I tested the Fire TV Cube, I was amazed by how fast it responded. It's got a powerful processor and supports 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, and hands-free Alexa control. I can literally walk into the room and say, "Alexa, play Stranger Things," and it just starts playing. Plus, it connects with smart home devices, so it controls my lights and speakers too. If you're serious about smart living and high-end streaming, this is the ultimate choice. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.